Hi, my name is Josh Schreier, and this is the first in what we hope is a complete series on Mishnayos with the commentary of the Rav Ovadia Bar Menorah. Tonight is the 19th of Kislev, Tafshin Ein Hey. We're holding almost by Hanukkah, and we hope Sat Dishmaya, this is a very complete and thorough series in Mishnayos. We start with the first Mishnah in Brachos, Perek Aleph Mishnah Aleph. Says the Mishnah, from what time can you say Shema at night? From the time the Kohanim entered either Shuma ad sofa Shema Rishona Dibur Eliezer. From the time the Kohanim comes to eat the Shuma until the end of the Shema Rishona, which we'll see what that means, says Rav Eliezer. L'cham Omer ad Chatzos, L'cham say until Chatzos, Regamliel Omer ad Shalom Shachar, and Regamliel says until Amar Shachar. Maisa Shabo Bana Mimisa Mishta. There was a Maisa where the sons of Regamliel came from a wedding. Amru Lo, they said to their father, Lo Karino Eshma, we haven't said Shema yet. Amru Lahem, so he said back to them, Imlo Allah Amar Shachar, if it hasn't reached Allah Amar Shachar yet, Chayiv Atem Likros, you're chayiv to read. Lozu Bovad, not just that. Ela Kol Ma She'amr Cham Ad Hatzos, that every time the Cham say Ad Hatzos, mitzvah Sanat Amar Shachar. It's a mitzvah until Amar Shachar. For example, Hector Chalav and Ve'avarim, offering of the fats and the limbs on the Mizbeach, mitzvah Sanat Amar Shachar, it's a mitzvah until Amar Shachar, V'kol Na'achalam Liyom Echad, and any foods of the Mizbeach, any meat of the Mizbeach that you have to eat in one day, following your offering that day, mitzvah Sanat Amar Shachar, it's a mitzvah until Amar Shachar. Yim Kain, Lama Amar Chamam Ad Hatzos, if that's the case, so why the Chamam say until Chatzos? K'dei l'charchek es Adam min ha'avera. So that's the first Mishnah. Let's see what the partner has to say. Says the Rav, the Kohanim shenitmu, the Kohanim became tamei, v'tavlu and they toiled. Ein yachlan la'achol b'truma ad she'erev shamshan. They can't eat truma until nightfall. Dahainu seis uklavim, which is when the first stars come out. V'had delo tani mishah seis kohavim, and the reason that the Mishna didn't say seis kohavim mufurish, milos agav orcha kamash malan, is they wanted to teach a separate din, a separate chiddush. She'im nitmu hakohanim b'tuma, if the kohanim became tuma, if the kohanim became tamei, she'taharasan talui b'karbon, that their tahara, their purity was dependent on bringing a carbon. Could go in zav mitzora. For example, a zav is a male who had a type of seminal emission. Mitzora, someone who has saras, I guess they translate it leprosy. Ein hakapara me'akavtan mil'achal b'truma, that their carbon is not stopping them from eating truma. Diksiv, the pasuk says, ubo hashemesh v'tayr, the sun will come and will go away. B'achar ya'achal min ha'kachim, and the pasuk finishes, and after that they will go and eat from kachim. Bias shamsho me'akavto mil'achal b'truma, that the setting of the sun holds you back from eating truma. V'ein kaparaso me'akavto mil'achal b'truma, and the kapara itself doesn't hold you back from eating truma. Ad sof hashmor harishona, continues the Mishnah, until the end of the first watch, says the Rav, shlish harishon is the first of shlish rishon shalayla, is the first third of the night. Shalayla nechalka l'shalosh mishmoros, the night separated into three watches. Misham ve'elech lo mikri su zman kriyashma d'shliva, and after that it's no longer called the zman of lying down of the kriyashma of the evening. The lo karina be b'shachva, and it's not called b'shachva, it's not called lying down. U'machmi seis ukhavim nami yamamahu, the lo zman shchiva, and before seis ukhavim is also daytime and is not considered zman shchiva. V'hamagdimin v'korin kriyashma shal arvis meboid yom, and those people who are early and read Shema while it's still daytime, somchen the Rav Yehuda. There's Somach on Rav Yehuda, the Amar Lakaman, Perek Tfilos HaShachar, who says later on in the fourth Perek in Tfilos HaShachar, Ad Plag HaMincha, the Tfilos Mincha, Ad Plag HaMincha. That you can say Mincha until Plag HaMincha, Shehu Shah V'Raviyah Kodem HaLayla, which is an hour and a quarter before nighttime, Shah Zmanios, which means that if you divide the day up into 12 hours, and you take the amount of hours there are of daytime and nighttime, and then you divide that, so say that you have a night that has an equal 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night, so then they'll have exactly 60-minute hours, just like we have. But if you have a day, say in the winter, where the day is short and the night is long, so the daytime hours are short, the nighttime hours are longer. Kaimalan the Avid Kirbi Yehuda Avid, and we paskin that we can do like Rabbi Yehuda. Umiyai kichakala zman hamincha maskal zan kriyash mashal arvas, and immediately when the time of mincha ends, the time of marv begins. Ad shel amar shachar, until the coming of the end of the night. The kol laila mikri zman shliva. Says Rabbi Gamliel, the whole night is called zman shliva. The halacha ka Rabbi Gamliel, and the halacha is like him. Shigam acham mudim lo, and the cham are moted to him. Lo amrat hatzos ala kedei lacharcha garav min havera. And the only reason that they say hatzos is the distance people from havera. Mihu lachachila meshagia onas kriyashma shal arvis. The mas nisan dahainu meseis akavim asr lesoid v'kol shegen lishon ad shekar kriyashma v'yispala. That once the time of kriyashma arrives at night, then it's usher to have a suda and it's usher to sleep until you daven kriyashma and daven marv. Maisa shebo banam beis Mishna, bnei Rabbi Gamliel, the sons of Rabbi Gamliel, shamanu l'Rabbanan, they hear from the Rabbanan the amri hatzos, they said hatzos. B'halika amrlei, and that's what they want to know. Had the pligi Rabbanan aleach, did the Rabbanan argue on you dafka kamri hatzos when they say hatzos and they're being dafka, the stu low, and after that you can't read. V'yachid karabim halach karabim, and since you're arguing with the chacham, so the halach is obviously like them halach karabim. Odoma Rabbanan kavase sfir lahu, maybe the Rabbanan hold like you. V'haidak amri ad hatzos kedei lacharchik as adam min havera. The only reason they're saying hatzos is to distance from havera. V'amar lahu, and he answered them back, Rabbanan kavase sfir lahu, the Rabbanan hold like me. V'haidak amri ad hatzos kedei lacharchik as adam min havera. V'chayavim atem likros. The only reason the Chacham are saying that Zman is to distance people from Avera, and you are chayav to read. V'lo zu bovad, kulam elsa de Rabbi Gamliel, hu de Amar Labanav, that all of this Vaiter in the Mishnah is Rabbi Gamliel still talking to his children. Hector chalavim, shal karbanos, of the karbanos, ve'evarim sha'olas tamid shal ben harabayim. The evarim is only of the olas tamid shal ben harabayim, shenizrak damam b'yom, where the blood started in the day. Mitzvah la'alos, Hanatachin kol laila. It's a mitzvah to offer up those pieces the entire night. Diksiv hi ha'ola al mukta al mizbeach kol laila ad aboker, and that we offer up on the plank of mizbeach the entire night until morning. The kol hana'alam b'yom echad. All the ones you have to eat in one day. Kigon toda v'chatas v'ashim v'kiyutzu b'hem. Shehem nachalim liyom v'layla, zman achilasam, that you eat them by day and night. The zman achilasam, the time of eating, ad she'ala nashachar, until amar shachar. V'hu mevi lidei noisar, and after that it comes to nosar, which means there's an avera to leave these karbonos overnight, and if you do and you eat them, you're chayiv karas. In kain lama amru hakam ad hatzos bekriyashma v'chilas kachim, in the dinim of kriyashma v'chilas kachim, avol behekter chalavim ve'yivarim lo amru b'chakam ad hatzos klal. But by those dinim of the chalav and the yivarim, the chacham didn't mean their din of chatzos at all. Lo naket lehacha el hodia shekol davar shemutzvaso b'layla kasha kol layla. They only wanted to bring those two dinim to teach you that anything that is a mitzvah at night is kasha the whole night. Kedei l'harik adam min havera, and he finishes off the Rav by saying shalo yavu la'achlan achar she'el amar shachar, that you shouldn't come to eat after amar shachar. These chayiv karas and become chayiv karas also shalom became bekriyashma also bekriyashma shelo yamar adayin yeshahos ve'ta'avar oinasa, that then you shouldn't say that I have plenty of time left and then you'll go to sleep and be over. He didn't say go to sleep, but you'll go to sleep and you'll be over the zman.